Major group of fungus-like protists. The first fungus-like protists are slime mold. There are two forms of slime mold: feeding stage, which is also called plasmodesmata. The next is reproductive stage, which is also called swarm cell. Let's discuss feeding stage. Feeding stage. To understand feeding stage, let's know about plasmodium. Plasmodium is the process where the cytoplasm of two or more cells merges, leading the formation of multinuclear structure. In slime mold, the second point is in slime mold, amoeboid cell come together, resulting a single cell with multiple nuclei. The next point is plasmodium has no cell membrane. The next point is it is muddy in appearance. The next point is it moves over wet area, decomposed piece of wood and decomposed leaf. The next point is plasmodium ingests bacteria, yeast, spores and decaying organic matter during its slow and steady movement.
The life cycle begins with spores, which germinate into amoeboid and flagellated cells. These fuse to form a zygote, which the cycle completes.
Let's discuss about stages of slime mold. Next stage of slime mold. Reproductive stage, which is also called swarm cells. Stalk sporangia is formed during unfavorable condition. Resistance haploid spores are produced in sporangia by osmosis. Resistance haploid spores mean they withstand any harsh environmental condition. When conditions become favorable, these spores germinate and produce amoeboid cell. Zygote produce amoeboid cell and zygote produce amoeboid cell are also called swarm cell. The swarm cell combine with each other and form zygote. Zygote produce multinucleate plasmodium. Each nucleus of plasmodium is diploid. For example, Physarum policiferum. Policiphellum. Here our today topic is ended.